Hey, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to auto fit the width of your cells using a simple VBA. So let's say we've got like cells here, and in our next column, we've got euro as a text, and let's say long sentence here. So you can see that we do have text in each, but they're all different lengths, and it'd be nice if we could just auto fit the columns based on the length of the text in the columns. So what we're going to go is we're going to right click on sheet, and then we're going to click view code, and then we're going to drop this down, and then we're going to click worksheet, and then in here we're going to type cells dot entire column dot auto fit, and we're done. Press return, and then we're going to go back to the worksheet, and we can see here that when we've moved, our cells have automatically fit here. And if we want to change the width of C here automatically, for example, let's type in some text, and you can see that it adjusts itself automatically. So that's how we auto fit cells as you type using a VBA.